Good morning. Got in this big old Frigidaire. It's dead. Let's turn the timer. Nope. Nope. Bet you it's this thermostat. Let's test it. Just gotta slide the racks out and take the knob off, and the thermostat just clips home. Unplug it. Alright, there we are. Alright. It's bad. Jumperino. Try not to shoot no fire. Okay. And the fan. We don't need a thermostat. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and slap a new thermostat in it. Easy peasy.
Don't forget the crayons. The most important.
These thermostats are real simple. They just clip right in, and then those two wires, there's no polarity, no positive or negative, but definitely don't forget the ground. The ground is the most important. Alright, and since the timer was broke, we plugged one on, and we just gotta mount it up. Come on. Ooh, getting hot on the sides. Cool on down. Oh, it feels good in here. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Let's go.